guys, this car has came back to my shop again after detailing, and this car is like it's amazing. Alex did amazing job. It's called paint correction. You know, he resanded whole car and he buffered up because black color is kind of hard. You know, black color.
Straight from the dealership, man.
Yeah, this car looks like straight from the dealership. You know, you never tell this car has been painted or fixed or something. But you guys remember how was this car before, you know. But I'm gonna show you all details. Look at how clean it's just glass, you know. You know, look at this. Smell, even the smell, leather smell new, you know.
That yellow.
Yeah.
Mustang.
No, looks sick. Looks sick. I like it, you know. Let me open the hood for you guys. Carbon fiber front lip.
What's your concern?
Oh, Gino, you know how to open trunks, right? You have to fix this leather. It's always like that. It's only you can tell this car been on accident because of this.
Really?
I'm joking. Oh, and we have to put in the beige. Yeah.
Is this like a car seat for the babies?
Wow.
No?
No. This is for the toolkit.
I know, I'm just kidding.
Oh, yeah, right.
Safety first, look at that.
Let me turn lights on. But guys, this car is clean title, and it is for sale.
You get the shot of it with the light.
I wanna touch it, dude.
Yeah, man.
Your hand is cleaner. Close it. No, close it.
I don't want to close it.
Okay. It's okay, just push it. Oh wow, that's it. You're funny. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let me know if somebody interested to buy the car.
Look at that.
And if you need to fix your car, just let me know. Me and Gina fix it, right?
The duo team, man. The duo team.
Yeah, no, you can just buy a car, and we can fix it in this shop, and we're gonna film in every details, you know.